Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 183 for the 12th of May 2025. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. Okay, this is Disney, and this is also on the monthly chart here. Okay, it's on the monthly chart because I wanted to be able to sort of show what the price action is going on. So they had their earnings. I think it was last week. I think it was last week. I've lost my track of my days. This year basically, everything's been happening so much. But Disney, they had their numbers last week, and the numbers were better than expected. Okay, and this is under the let's say the kind of overall narrative and the overall story about Disney, which is why I've got the monthly chart up here. We can see if we look back, okay, for a good part of the time, $80, $120. And actually, for a good while, we were kind of knocking about in that particular region, okay. We had a bit of the crash back down to 80 that will have been during the start of the COVID lockdown. And then we rallied our way back up to $200, a real move from $80 to $200. But then really over the last sort of 3-4 years, what we have seen is a case of let's say a rather dispiriting narrative about Disney. A lot of it, sort of linked into its kind of some of its, let's say, some of its executives, some of its board hires, and some of it the direction of travel of the way it was, what it was operating. And we can see that from $200, we came back to $80, and then we kind of back into that range between around about $80 to $120. And sort of the last month, April, we came back down to $80. As I said, the numbers pretty good, and actually we can swing. And so we can see last week, right, in the pre-market. Last week, we're $105, pre-market at 108. It would not surprise me, okay, for us to basically work our way back up to that 120 number. At least that would be my kind of my first target there. Okay, maybe touch 100, maybe test 100, and then basically go to 120. So that's why that's on my watch list at the moment.